Prepare to journey beyond the brink of the known universe, where the laws of physics are pushed to their limits and mysteries abound. Today, NASA has unveiled a groundbreaking visualization that will plunge viewers into the heart of darkness. The event horizon of a black hole. This isn't just any visualization. It's a window into the most extreme environments in the cosmos. By simulating the behavior of light around a black hole, scientists are shedding light on the enigmatic nature of these cosmic giants. It's like peering into the abyss and gaining a glimpse of the universe's hidden secrets. As viewers are drawn closer to the event horizon, they'll witness the mind-bending effects of gravitational lensing, where light is warped and time stands still. It's like being transported to another dimension, absolutely mesmerizing. Beyond the brink of the event horizon lies a realm of infinite possibilities and untold wonders. Thanks to NASA's groundbreaking visualization, we can now journey where no one has gone before. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And of course, let us know your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below.